Hello, and thank you for joining me today. I wanted to share with you guys some really simple DIYs you can do in 10 minutes or less. I also wanted to share with you how I get different color nautical rope. In the pet department or area of your Dollar Tree, you'll find these rope balls and toys. All you do is just unravel one of the balls, and these particular balls that I get, these toys, once you unravel it, you get the same length of rope as you do when you purchase the nautical rope, the standard nautical rope. And this way you can get different colors. I know a few of you guys have asked me how I do that, how I get different colors. So that's my secret. What I'm going to do is use some of the standard nautical rope to wrap around this Easter egg. And I wanted to take this time just to say thank you to everyone that's subscribed to my channel. It's just exciting to see how many people are starting to follow me. I just wanted to say thank you, and I appreciate it. And you just continue wrapping the nautical rope around this Easter egg. I went down about 1/3 of it. And then I'm going to start using a different kind of rope. One of the ropes that I used, that I unraveled from the dog toys. And I just start wrapping that one around in the middle. And you can, this is where your creativity comes into play, and you can just use any kind of rope. They have all kinds of colors. And then once I finished gluing half of that, not the other rope, I decided to go ahead and hot glue some of the standard nautical rope on the bottom of the egg. So basically I just wanted the designed rope in the middle. And there you go. Project number 1 is done. And also, anytime you use any kind of rope, nautical rope or the jute twine, I recommend you with the lighter just burn off the frails, the little strings that come out of it. My next project, again, I'm going to use some of that rope from one of the dog toys and just make a ring with it. I made 2 rings together and hot glued those together. And then with some of the rope, the burlap rope that has the lace in the middle, what I did was just cut a section out of it, basically about 6 inches or so, and then rounded the edges of the ends. Wrapped it around the ring that I just made. Pulled them apart and shaped them just the way you like them. Got one of the doilies, folded that kind of, and then just stuck it in the ring, and there you go. You have a napkin holder. Napkin ring holder. My third project, I got some of the pink wire ribbon that they have at Dollar Tree. And those are the Velcros, little dots, and just put one on each side, each end. And what I like to do is place the top, place the 2 felts together, Velcro together, and then stick it to the ribbon. Again, cut a piece of the wired burlap with lace ribbon. Did the same thing, made little bunny ears basically, just cut the ends to little points. Twisted it around the pink ribbon. Kind of trying to keep it in the center. Just adjust it until you like the way the bunny ears look. And then I had purchased some of these little bunny tails that they have with the little clips. Put it in between the two bunny ears. And I just hot glued a little bit to it. Put a little bit of hot glue on the bunny tail. And there you have. My last project is going to be some of these little treat bags that they have that are like burlap. And you can just tie the little bow on the bottom or on the top to make it look like a girl or a boy. I decided to put it on top. Get a napkin, put that in there, place it inside the bag, and then you can just put your silverware, and there you go. Thank you guys for watching today. Hope you enjoyed, and see you next time. Stay blessed.